So hello guys, it's A3 back at YouTube again. I know it's been a long time, but again, as you can see, I still haven't got my helmet. I will talk about that later on in this video. But the reason that I'm making this video is to let you guys know that what I'm up to and the reason behind why I'm not uploading at my usual times. There's a lot going on nowadays, so let's talk over on my bike now, shall we? So, well, hello there again. मैले लगइन भनिसकेँ है अघिकै उसमा. So I just have to speak with you guys a little faster because the weather isn't supporting me. I think it's gonna be a heavy rainfall soon. Let's make this vlog a little more shorter than usual, shall we? So yeah, the reason behind not vlogging at my usual time is that the helmet that I ordered from the Gears Gadget wasn't able to make it to the Nepal. हुन्छ नि एक महिना जति कुर्यो तर आएन के हेलमेट. यस्तो के भन्ने पैसा तिरेर बस्यो है, पुरा पेसे गर्यो यताउति 8 दिनमा आउँछ भन्यो, 8 दिनपछि भोलि आउँछ भन्दा भन्दा चाहिँ एक महिना लगाइदिरहेन. अनि so what I did was I got the refund for the helmet, of course, because I was out of patience. Like हुन्छ नि मेरो पेशेन्स लेभल एकदम लो छ क्या, त्यत्रो कुराइदिएपछि अनि कसलाई लिनु मन लाग्छ. So anyway, there's that. हेलमेट आएन है. अनि I don't like the view of this camera angle because आधी जति हेलमेटले खाइदिरहेको हुन्छ, हजुरहरूले के नै देख्छ बाटोको. अनि तर जे होस् के हुन्छ भने के भयो भनेपछि like one of my friend Rosie, I know most of you guys have probably seen her in my previous videos. She went to Thailand, and so what I did was I asked for her help to bring the helmet herself. So she will be coming in August. She will be coming in August 15. She will be coming on August 15. So yeah, I will be starting my regular vlogs from August 16th because I will get the helmet and I will be able to give you guys the front view from the GoPro. Another reason is I'm pretty busy with my usual life. It's just that I'm having my own personal problems and I'm trying to solve them by myself, and it's keeping me way too busy to be vlogging. कति भइसक्यो मैले यो आफ्नै बाइक नचलाएको. लाइक साथीको बाइक आउँछ सबिन, अनि हजुर कतिजना धेरै जसोलाई थाहा छ होला अब मेरो भिडियो धेरै हेरिराख्नेलाई. सो या उसकै बाइक आउँछ, उसकै बाइकमा यताउति गरिन्छ. यो पानी परेको बेला झन् मेरो बाइक निकाल्नै मन लाग्दैन, पछाडि हिलै हुन्छ. And yeah, so that's pretty much it about the reasons that I wasn't uploading any vlogs. There was my cousins waiting as well, so yeah, I was pretty much busy with that too. Other than that, I think I'm okay, doing okay. How about you guys? How are you guys? Don't think that I have died or something like that. I will be posting more videos as soon as I get my hands on the new helmet. के गर्ने यस्तै हो जिन्दगी अनि दर्पण छ. अनि अरु के छ त? And thank you for the brothers who contacted me on my Instagram concerning about me, asking me if I was doing okay or not. Like, that is really appreciated. हुन्छ नि तपाईहरुको त्यो केयर देखिन्छ क्या अनि it's the thing that keeps us going on this platform. हजुरहरुको सपोर्टले नै गर्दा हुन्छ नि गरिराख्नु मन लाग्छ क्या कन्टिन्यू अनि so thank you all the brothers. अनि if a lot of you guys don't know about my Instagram ID, then I will just make it pop it up right about now. Yeah, that's my Instagram ID, so yeah, you can follow me on Instagram and know what I'm up to beforehand from there. लाइनमा बस्नु पर्ने क्या जहिले भ्लग मेरो भ्लगमा चाहिँ यहीँको जाम मात्र हुन्छ जस्तो. So that's it for today, guys. I'm sorry because this vlog is so short. I just wanted to make sure that you guys know what I'm up to. If you like the video, guys, make sure to give a thumbs up and please do subscribe to my channel. It helps a lot. And I'll see you on the next one. Last but not the least, as always, A3 out. Gotcha.